This breathtaking home sits on just over an acre in the lovely River Hollow. The open, split floor plan is the perfect layout for maximizing functionality without sacrificing style. The spacious living room boasts a cathedral ceiling, gas fireplace, and large windows that allow for so much natural light. This space flows effortlessly into the beautiful kitchen, boasting Cambria quartz countertops, a large island with seating, a huge pantry, painted maple cabinets, tile backsplash, and bright white cabinetry. The eat-in dining space faces the sliding patio doors and the sunroom. Beautifully etched glass doors lead you into the sunroom, perfect for a cozy office setup. Speaking of cozy, the pinnacle of comfort can be found as you retire to the owner's suite. This spacious room includes an ensuite complete with double vanity, walk-in shower, walk-in closet, and walk-through laundry room from the closet and bath area. You'll find the 3 additional bedrooms to be just as spacious. Custom cable stair railings is a unique feature you'll notice as you head down to the basement to reveal the entertainer's dream. A wet bar complete with kegerator and wine cooler is ready to host game days with friends and family, with plenty of space for all to gather. In fact, there's extra room in the basement to expand the living space if you desire. An additional stairway from the garage to the basement is another notable feature. The extensive furnace system cannot go unnoticed, with upgrades that include air purification, whole house dehumidifier, and UV light which kills bacteria in the air. Heading outside, the large fenced-in yard gives plenty of space for pets, kids, and hosting those final summer get-togethers on the covered patio. If you're wondering what you can do with the outdoor space, River Hollow allows large outbuildings suitable for your outdoor toys and storage needs. Are you picturing yourself in this picture-perfect home? Get more than just a snapshot by calling Laura Cobbs for a personal tour today.